Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you notice, we're in my bedroom again. It's gotten a little messy the past few days. I have been in a rainy, gloomy mood. Like it's been raining for, I think like since New Year's Eve it started raining, and then it hasn't stopped since. And today was the first sunny day that we've had. I have my windows open. I'm feeling excited. I have energy. My husband's home early from work. I can finally tackle the things I wanted to. And there was something that I had heard in a video from Anna O'Leary. She had said in the mornings to get yourself motivated, to get yourself dressed, put your face on, straighten your hair, do what you gotta do, get yourself out of your PJs to get yourself motivated. And this morning when I woke up, something about when she said that, it resonated with me this morning. Like, you know what? You've been in such a slumpy mood. Get your butt up, make yourself feel good, and get this house clean. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do my bedroom, and I'm gonna organize all of my drawers, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started. So as always, to start, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my room and get it to where I want it so that I can actually organize the spaces that I want to organize. I need to clean my bedding for the start of the weekend. I just like to have clean sheets on the weekend. It gets me a better night's rest, I guess, for the week ahead. So I'm going to do that, give everything a wipe down, just kind of clean up, and then I'm going to start tackling our drawers. My drawers weren't really that satisfying for me. Maybe it's because it's my clothes. But Trevor's, like, I loved doing his drawers. They turned out so good, and I was so proud of myself for it. And I don't know, it was actually a lot of fun. I wish that I could organize my drawers a little better. I think I'm going to try and follow the KonMari method here soon and go through them again and go through my closet and just try it. I've been watching it on Netflix, and I'm curious to see how I could tackle some of my areas using the KonMari method. I'm not too familiar with exactly the rules on it, but I think I can tackle it. So let's try. I'm starting here with my own little method. I'm going to try and get rid of some clothes.
Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We can never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
So if you guys haven't clicked off yet, we were very close to tackling Trevor's. It was way more fun. I really didn't get rid of as much as I wanted to, as much as I thought I was going to, but I mean, it wasn't as bad as I thought. So I'll give myself a little pat on the back for at least getting rid of stuff, but I am ready to show you guys how I did Trevor's drawers. His turned out like way better. I actually color coded Trevor's. I don't know why I got into the mood to actually color code his, but I didn't do mine. I don't know. Maybe I just like him better. I also wish that I kind of had shown you guys my closet. It's not extremely disorganized by any means, but I do need to go through and get rid of some clothes and need to donate them. My closet's actually color-coded. It's been since before I had Tennyson, and it's stayed that way because I really haven't gotten to wear a lot of the clothes. Now, moving on to Trevor's dresser, he has a mass amount of tank tops, and it takes up one whole drawer. And then he has 2 drawers of t-shirts, and they range from like regular t-shirts all the way to nice shirts with like the crew neck and the v-necks. So I wanted to go ahead and categorize all of that stuff, and I wanted to get all of his tank tops kind of in like a color-coded situation so he could find them easier, since I wasn't going to be able to stand them up like I did with my t-shirts. They're a little larger stand up. I need to figure out how to fold them to make them smaller. So the color categories I went with were the dark gray to the light gray. I also added the black to this pile because I felt like I needed to make more space. And then I went with all of his blue colors, went from dark blue to light blue. And then I had his random colors like his yellows, his greens, his reds, and his purples. And then I made a whole stack of just striped tank tops. He has a mass amount of striped tank tops. Blows my mind. So moving on to his next 2 drawers, I found he has a bunch of shorts in his drawer, which actually I hang all his shorts, the ones he actually wears. So I went through and picked out the ones that I wanted him to keep and the ones I didn't. Now in this process, I am getting rid of my husband's clothes, but before I actually bagged them up and got rid of them, I had him go through the pile just to make sure that I wasn't getting rid of something that he actually wanted to hold on to. I wanted to respect that part of it. It is his clothes, so I did hold that respect level and let him go through it. And luckily, he didn't care about any of the stuff I got rid of. So it was kind of nice. I'm so ready just to have less of a cluttered home. Even though my house is clean, there's clutter hidden in places that I'd always overlook. And clothes, who needs this many clothes? No one does. So I want to try and donate as much as possible this year. I'm going to purge multiple times and just declutter my life.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
So now moving on to the putting away process, this was so satisfying. I color-coded his drawer, as I said, and it was like the second to last drawer ended up being his regular t-shirts and his work shirts. And then the next level up, it was his like regular nice crew neck shirts all the way to his v-necks to his quarter sleeves. So I really think it would be nice to get some dividers to help me separate some of these clothing and to better organize it. I'm going to go ahead and YouTube some KonMari methods of how to make your clothes smaller, how to organize them a little better, and then I will probably do a walkthrough film for you guys. I'm not going to show you how I did it unless you request it, but I don't want to have you guys go through this process again. So I will probably KonMari some stuff, walk you through where I hit with KonMari, and show you how it turned out for me. This was everything that I got rid of. It doesn't seem like that much, but it ended up filling up quite a bit of space when I went to donate it. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and stick around for some more videos.